Imagine spending over $100,000 on the ultimate luxury SUV. The Range Rover, equipped with the massive 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine, is a global status symbol. It is fast, incredibly powerful, and rides like a dream. But deep inside this British masterpiece hides a ticking time bomb. An engineering oversight so bad, it turns a minor wear and tear issue into a catastrophic $10,000 nightmare. To understand the disaster, you need to look at how this massive engine operates. Generating over 500 horsepower puts an immense amount of stress on the internal components. The heart of this system is the timing chain. It is a heavy-duty, hardened steel chain that spins at thousands of revolutions per minute. To keep the steel chain tight and perfectly aligned, engineers use tensioners and chain guides, and this is where Land Rover made an unforgivable mistake. Instead of using highly durable materials designed to withstand constant friction, they built the chain guides using a soft aluminum backing covered with a desperately thin layer of plastic. Think about that for a second. You have a hardened steel chain under massive tension, dragging across cheap plastic and soft metal. Over time, the outcome is inevitable. The steel chain acts exactly like a chainsaw. It literally slices right through the thin plastic face. Once the plastic is gone, the chain starts violently eating directly into the raw, soft aluminum of the tensioner itself. Metal shavings mix with your engine oil. Because the guide is now destroyed, the chain loses its tension. It becomes loose and starts slapping against the inside of the aluminum engine block. This is when you hear that terrifying metallic rattling sound on a cold start. It is the sound of your engine slowly committing suicide. If you ignore that rattle for even a few days, the loose chain will eventually skip a tooth on the gear. The engine timing is instantly destroyed. The pistons smash upward into the open valves, bending them, breaking them, and turning your supercharged V8 into a 500-pound metal paperweight. A piece of plastic that cost maybe $50 to manufacture will now cost you well over $10,000 for a complete engine replacement. You thought you bought British luxury, but you actually bought a plastic trap. Is this the worst engineering failure in modern SUVs, or just a calculated way to force you into the dealership? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe to Overdrive Engineering for more automotive reality checks.